Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a giant autumn River Island haul. So I've got my trusty scissors. So let's get on into this. Actually, I'm going to do this carefully because this has got one of those bags that you can return things in. So I've got to cut it correctly to be able to still use this bag if I need to return some pieces. So I'm not going to hack job this. Okay, so I did get quite a few autumn / going into winter pieces. There's lots of jumper type pieces in here. So I've got some good knits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items to show you today. First piece is this. Is a beautiful sort of lace type shirt with gorgeous poofy sleeves, and they don't look too over the top poofy either. So yes, I'm going to look forward to trying that on. That's really nice, and it's got a little bit of a satin back and collar, and the cuffs are satin, and then it's got the satin buttons down the front and a satin tie for around the waist. So that's really cute. Yeah, I like that. And then this is a size 8 and was £37. So this is the first item. It's really nice blouse. It's a little bit fiddly on the belt because it's so satiny. It just sort of slips undone as you're trying to do it up in like a different sort of style. So it's a bit loose, I'd say. But I do like it. I like the pattern on the sleeves. It's quite florally. So there's like foliage by the looks of things. And then it's got cuffs with little covered buttons as well. And then like a crepe style satin. Yeah, it's a crepe satin detail on the collar and then down the front as well. And it's 2 layered. So it's pretty sweet. And I've just put it over a long line bra. So yeah, it's quite cute. I don't think I'd keep it though. I find it, I don't really wear things that are untucked and it doesn't look right tucked in. So for me, this one's a no. I do like it, it's just not my style, my personal preference. And then we've got something in a size 8. This is Houndstooth. Oh, this is cute. I think this is a little dress. Yes, this is a little dress with double straps over the shoulders. It's got a little sort of V split at the front. And this is size 8 and was £43. So this is cute. This is like definitely a scuba fabric, like a thick bouncy scuba. Well, that's cute. Little dress. I'll try that on. That looks a bit big on the hips, but we'll see. So this is a cute little dress. It's like an A-line dress with an unfinished hem. I don't like it. It's actually itchy. It's like where the seam is going down my stomach. It's itching the life out of me. But it's also kind of gapey here. And you can't wear a bra with it because it's got such a deep V there. So I'm not loving this at all. Yeah, no, I'm going to get it off because it's actually annoying me how itchy it is. Okay, and then we've got something else that's Houndstooth. This is size 8 and was £37. Let's see what this is. Ah, yes. So these were wide leg trousers. I thought these were a bit snazzy. They've got the buttons at the top and they've got a lovely split. So these are really similar to the white pair of trousers that I got from River Island a few months back. They've got an elasticated waist. They're a size 8. They feel a bit, not that stretchy, but they feel like they might be a bit loose for some reason. Something's telling me they're a bit loose, but we'll see. But yeah, these were a size 8 and £37. And they're like a knit polyester type fabric. Yeah, cute. Next up, I think is a jumper. This is a size 8 and £43. Okay. Yes. So this has got 3 little buttons on the shoulder on one side. It's a very like furry, fluffy jumper. It's a short jumper with big balloon sleeves, long cuffs, quite skinny long cuffs, and a short length with some really nice cable knit detail on the front. This is cute. Okay, so this, don't love it. I actually like the style and I like the coziness of it, but I don't like the shape. It looks really boxy on my shoulders because this is so tight and this is so boxy, like so billowy rather. Yeah, it's not me at all. And then I've tried it on with these trousers and I'll lower you down so you can see these. So these, they're a little bit loose, but they're okay. But if this elastic doesn't hold up, then these are going to be baggy. So I don't like the quality of these, how they're made. I like how they look. I'm going to get up on my stool. Ooh. They're quite cute. They're a nice length. Like they reach my feet and things like that. But yeah, I'm just not loving them, to be honest with you. I like the little pleat at the front. And they're very comfortable. They're like, be good for lounging around the house. They're just a bit expensive for that really. So yeah, both of these going back with that shirt. Not a lot of luck so far. And then the last thing that's Houndstooth style is one size, £35. Don't know what this is, can't remember. This is cute. This is cute. This is a scarf shawl type thingy. So this is a reversible shawl, like so. How cool was that? Was that just not like extra snazzy that I just did that? That was wicked. Right, so this is one of these. So this is cool for the upcoming cold weather snaps. And then we have this side as well. There we go. So it's reversible, excellent colour. Sorry, the lighting changed because the sun has gone behind the clouds and I'm right next to my big window. But yes, so this is really nice actually. So this is a lovely sort of oatmeal and black colour, and then on the inside is the Houndstooth in the black, grey and oatmeal shade. So one side we've got check and one side we've got Houndstooth. I love that, that's really cute. Definitely a bit of me, this one. So then we've got oh, I love this. I've been looking at this for quite a while. And I finally decided to get it, if it is what I think it is. Oh, actually, it's not what I think it is. Oh my god! Aww. This is gross. Someone has already bought this and returned it because it is absolutely caked in foundation. If you can see that in this light, but look at that. So that's disgusting. It's all crinkly as well. That's a shame. It's incredible that that's done that. Okay, well this was a size 8 and was £55. I'm not even going to try it on because I'm just offended, to be honest with you, that they've sent this out. But it's cute. It's like a little jumper dress with sleeves with buttons. And the actual rib knit is quite sweet as well. It's got like little pinholes all the way down with a little contrast button, contrast detail on the cuffs and the collar. So yeah, a bit gutted about that. What do people like? Unbelievable. They need my trick, don't they? A little over the head scarf jobby. Right, I've got sent a little perfume from River Island. Should you see what this smells like? Amber and vanilla. Oh, smells nice. Actually haven't got perfume on yet today, so let's see what that smells like. Oh, do you know what? That smells quite an expensive perfume. I think it's the amber. Bit old lady, but it's still quite nice. It's like a very mature scent. A little bit old lady though. I might have to wash that off later because that might get on my nose. Then this is the piece that I thought that was going to be. Oh, I've got a little fluff on me now. fluff sticking to my lipstick. Yeah, this is the piece that I thought that was going to be. So this was £60 and I got this in a size 8 as well. This is gorgeous. This is a full midi maxi length jumper dress with lovely balloon sleeves and little knitted cuffs. Okay, so I just had to mess with the lighting again. This is going to be interesting trying to work with these conditions through autumn. So yeah, this is cute. It's got full length maxi type dress just above the ankle, and it's got nice balloon style sleeves with little knitted cuffs as well. Yeah, I like this. It's a bodycon style dress, so it's got like a cable knit at the top half and then it's ribbed down the bottom. So that's sweet, isn't it? I like that. So we'll try them on. So we have a winner chicken dinner. This is exactly what I thought it was going to look like. So this is cute and it's really soft. So this is nice. So it's a really nice knitted dress for winter. So yeah, this one I'm going to keep. I think this was the £60 one. And I got everything in a size 8. It's cute, you know? I think it's just cute. It's got these nice buttons down the front and it's got a nice sort of cable knit design, if you can see that in this lighting. I'm not sure if you can. And then the sleeves have the same style, and then below the waist it's just a rib knit with the brown buttons. So yeah, this is cute. I do need to like get rid of this little pudgy belly I'm starting to grow. Yeah, this is cute. I'm going to keep this one. So that concludes this River Island autumn and winter haul. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you've got any questions, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you again soon for another video. Take care, bye!